Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about the basic car maintenance tips. First of all, use the acronym POWER. P stands for the petrol. So before you leave your house or before you come back home, always check that you have enough petrol before your next journey. Next is O. O stands for the oil in your car. So of course our car contains different types of oil for our engine, our gearbox, and for our, importantly, brakes. Now these three things are most important and for basic maintenance. So make sure that your engine oil is frequently changed, serviced, and also your brake oil to check the level. You don't want it to be too low or it will be dangerous when you want to do your emergency braking. Now, third is the W. W stands for water or liquids. So, do check that you have the water in your radiator reservoir at the max. And if it's on the low, at the minimum line, just give it a top up with coolant or water. And also your wiper fluids, which will be very useful whenever you go out, especially in rainy days where you can't see the road because of your windscreen is blurred. So I would recommend you to get the Extra Rain Guard Repellent and pour it inside the washer fluid container where you use to spray onto your windscreen. So every time whenever it's about to rain, just give it a spray on your windscreen and it will activate the rain repellent. Now going to E. E is all the electronic items in your car. So make sure that your sensors are working. Sensors like your reverse sensor before you reverse your car. Also check on your battery condition. So E can also stand for emergency. Also always keep an emergency kit in your car. So inside the emergency kit, first aid kit inside, a pair of gloves, have a fire extinguisher would be great. And also add like cable ties, a hazard beacon, tire opening tools, which is usually have in a new car. So if you're having a second-hand car, do check if you have all the jack, tire opening tools inside your car. And if you have extra charging cables, keep it inside the emergency kit. You never know when you need the emergency cables for your phone. Now R stands for rubber. Rubber relates to all the rubber things that is in your car, mainly the tires. So make sure your tires are well inflated. There's a sticker in the car where it shows you what is the right tire pressure for your tires. So do check it. It's around your door panel or at the petrol tank door. And other rubber items would be your wipers. Make sure they are working fine. Always keep them in good condition. If they start to scratch your windscreen, it's time to change to a new one. And also the rubber linings around your windows. So sometimes it gets all dried up. So make sure you get some lubricants and lubricate the window rubber as well. So these are some of the tips. Of course, there are other acronyms that can be helpful as well. But this is the one that I learned when I started my driving lessons. The other one that I saw many people commenting in my other video is blow baguettes. So do you know what the BLOWBAGET stands for? Comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Jeng jeng.